Hello guys, hope you all doing well. Today I will be showing you how to download Ubuntu server on a VirtualBox. So what we're gonna do is go on Google, type Ubuntu server download. It's gonna take us to the page. So there is 24.04 and then there is the 22.04. We're gonna download the latest. Once you press on download, it will start download. You don't have to subscribe or anything. So download is starting. I will pause the video until download is finished. Alright, so we just got it downloaded right now. Get open folder. Make it folder to the screen. So what we will have to do, alright, so we just got it downloaded right now. And then so what we're gonna do, this is in downloads. We will have to move it wherever you guys organize. Depends on how you guys organize your folders. So I'm gonna do is gonna copy it from here, go into there, ISO images, and then we'll paste it in here. After, so by the time this one copies, what we'll have to do, open VirtualBox, and then we prepare add, and then we go see ISO images, so copying. Alright, so it just downloaded right now. Finished downloads. We open the folder. What we're gonna do, so what I did, basically I copied, depends on how you organize your folders, just to keep the ISO somewhere safe. So basically I just copy them into ISO images right here. So right here you see it, Ubuntu. I did that while I was pausing the video. And then now what we will have to do, open VirtualBox, click on tools, click on new, name, Ubuntu server. That's where it's gonna go. Where did we put the image? So other, and then I go on D right here, open, next. So username and password, you get to change that. You're gonna do it button and then networks as a password. Ubuntu server with hostname doesn't, you can't put a space in there. Next, I'll just keep it at whatever default it comes in. This is just a test or just an example to show you guys. And then create a virtual disk, keep everything as it is. Finish. Spawning up VM. Right here, so we press enter. It's loading up. English. So basically, if you continue without updating, you will have to input a couple commands to update the installer. So there is a option right here, update to the new installer. I would rather click it, will save you some time. English, Ubuntu server. Over here I'm gonna just leave it as a DHCP. You can do static route or anything, so basically just select, and then with the space you choose, you go edit IPv4, and then from DHCP we do it manual, and then over here put your subnet, which is example mine is 10.0.2, and then we put 0, which is the subnet. Sorry, right here /24, which is 255.255.255.0, and then the address, whatever IP we want to give it, so 10.0.2. I'll do it 16 gateway, whatever your gateway is. Anyway, I'm keeping it here as a DHCP, so I'm gonna do done, and then right here just doing some tests. The mirror location is being tested. Give a couple seconds. So pass test, then we press on done. Keep everything the way it is. Done, and then continue. Over here you will do your name. I'll do it the networks. Server name, I will do it BN, and then username will be Bata, password will be networks. Then click on done, continue, and then install OpenSSH server. That will allow you to access it via SSH from Mac terminal or PuTTY. Done. Over here we need the Docker. We're gonna select Docker, leave everything empty. Done. Started installing. That will take a couple of minutes. I will pause the video. Alright, so I'm back. You guys didn't have to wait, but installation is completed. So what we gotta do is reboot now. System is rebooting. It shouldn't take that long. So there's two commands after excuse me, after the system reboots. We should give it, and then we're ready to install any application that we want to run on Ubuntu. There's tons of applications, tons of users we can use Ubuntu for. So all that depending on what you're looking for, what you're trying to do, what are you trying to accomplish. Is it for work? Is it for school? Is it for testing? You can do whatever you want on it. Alright, so the login we did, the username was BATA, but password was networks, and then we're in. So first command will be sudo apt update, and then we have to put in the password again. Alright, so it's downloading, done. This one takes a couple seconds. This one will take a couple of minutes probably. So it's sudo apt upgrade. Enter. Yes. Alright. This part is quick. That's the part will take a couple minutes. I'm gonna fast forward the video. Alright, it's sitting at 99%. be done in any minute, and then we're done. So that's how you get Ubuntu server running on